Welcome to this market overview of the US slab tiles market. In modern construction, design, durability, and scale define material choices, and slab tiles are leading the shift. In 2024, the US slab tiles market is valued at USD 3.2 billion. The market is projected to reach USD 5.1 billion by 2030, growing at a 7.9% CAGR. Large format slab tiles offer seamless aesthetics, high durability, and low maintenance, making them ideal for commercial and luxury residential projects. North America dominates demand, driven by strong non-residential construction, remodeling activity, and premium interior design trends. While demand is US-led, Europe and Asia-Pacific remain critical manufacturing and export hubs for porcelain and engineered slab tiles. Growth is fueled by urbanization, infrastructure investments, green building trends, and rising use of high-end surface materials. Key challenges include high installation costs, skilled labor requirements, and supply chain volatility. Bottom line, slab tiles are redefining architectural surfaces in the US, and the market is growing fast. Visit www.𝗏𝗏𝗄𝑖fiedmarketresearch.com or email us at inquiries@𝗏𝗏𝗄𝑖fiedmarketresearch.com for more details.